Well, greetings, folks. Bill O'Leary coming to you in this particular video to answer the question, what is a retirement trust and what are the benefits? So in this video, what you're going to learn is how retirement accounts can be passed on to beneficiaries, number one. Two, what are the risks in naming people in their own name as direct beneficiaries on the account? And number three, how a retirement plan trust can protect the retirement account, or think IRA, when it gets inherited. Quick introduction. My name is Bill O'Leary. My firm is Legacy Planning Law Group, and I'm in Jacksonville, Florida, and do things like estate planning, elder law, and probate and trust administration. So, look, retirement assets, as is obvious, takes a lifetime to build up. And for a lot of people, it represents one of their largest assets. Many owners of retirement accounts, like IRAs, 401ks, they're not going to spend all of their retirement assets, which represents an opportunity to pass on a legacy to their children and grandchildren. And as with any legacy, people are naturally concerned about how their retirement assets will be distributed after they die, how their beneficiaries will use them, and how much in taxes their heirs will have to pay. And for these folks, a retirement plan trust may be just the right solution. So a retirement plan trust, what is it? It's a planning concept where you name the trust as the beneficiary of the retirement account. And it turns out that this kind of trust sort of offers the best of both worlds. On the one hand, there could be some tax benefits provided, but two, protecting those trust assets for your heirs. Now, a retirement trust, it's a specialized kind of trust. It's designed to receive some or all of your retirement account proceeds upon your death. So in your retirement account, what you do is you name that retirement plan trust as the beneficiary. The trust becomes the beneficiary. And when you pass away, the retirement account transfers to the retirement plan trust. And so what happens is your heirs will receive distributions from the retirement account based on what are called required minimum distributions, or RMDs for short, and other factors that are in the trust legal document. A retirement trust offers many of the same protections as regular trusts do, which is why, many people say, again, it's the best of both worlds. The trust makes sure that the beneficiary who may not be good with money does not blow their inheritance. And for a beneficiary that, let's say, adult children who may be good with money, it still provides them benefits because the trust can protect that adult child's inheritance in case they get divorced or in some sort of car accident lawsuit situation. And what's nice is that when the beneficiary gets old enough, they can be in charge of their own trust, become the trustee of their own trust, which means, again, having that control. So consider this sort of situation, this scenario. Let's say Bob, he's worked hard to build up an IRA. It's worth $1.8 million. He socked away a lot of money year after year. And while he plans on using his IRA to fund his retirement, he knows that he could very well die before he spends that entire account down. And so it's his intent to have his three children split the IRA. And so he could name them just as direct beneficiaries in their own name. But Bob's concerned about designating them as direct beneficiaries because, for one, his oldest son is in a rocky marriage. Two, his younger son doesn't really manage money well, unless he has credit card problems. And his youngest, his daughter, is only 14 years old, and he sort of shudders at the thought of handing each a lump sum for different reasons, that it would be at risk. So a great solution for Bob is a retirement plan trust that would be created and assigned as the beneficiary of Bob's IRA. And so Bob would act as the grantor while he's alive. He sets it up, and he would name someone as the trustee, and then he'd name his three children as beneficiaries of the trust and establish the lay of the land, the terms of the trust for how the IRA funds will be distributed out to his kids after he dies. And so for his oldest son, the trust will protect his inheritance from an ex-spouse if he gets divorced. For his middle child, his younger son, it's going to protect his inheritance from his wasteful spending habits and keep the inheritance protected from his son's creditors. And for his youngest, his daughter, the trust will hold on to her inheritance until she's an adult. And Bob can dictate the amount of distributions and the timing of distributions to his 3 children. Wonderful solution. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about what a retirement trust is and what the benefits are, and maybe how we can help you, we really would very much like to talk to you about that. And so we would like to go ahead and have you schedule a 15-minute phone call. It's complimentary. We call it our discovery phone call. And we can start a conversation, and we can tell you a little bit more about what we do and how we can help. And to make it really easy to schedule, just go to the scheduling link at the bottom of this video, click on it, boom, it takes you to our scheduling or booking calendar, and there's some sort of available days and times there. Just select one, and we'll jump on the call with you at the appointed time. So if you would like to know more about some other topics that relate to estate planning and elder law and so forth, we have a growing library of videos on our YouTube channel. So subscribe to Legacy Planning Law Group YouTube channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it if you could, and better yet, just trying to get the word out, to spread the word, share it with your friends. So Bill O'Leary, and I'm going to sign off for now, asking you to go make it a great day and a better world.